How to fix payment error on Tinder. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can fix a payment error on Tinder. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are getting a payment error on your Tinder application, there are a couple of things you can do. First of all, make sure that your payment information is correct. So maybe you're trying to purchase the premium over here, and maybe you're just trying to upload with a certain payment method that you have. So depending upon whether you're using Android or iOS, make sure that your card details or whatever payment method you're using is actually currently valid and that it has not run out of balance. You can also try to check for the Tinder app update on your Play Store. Over here, you can see if it is updated to the latest version. That's perfectly fine. If not, make sure to update it to the latest version. Try to clear the cache files for the Tinder app. So long press the Tinder app icon on Android. Tap on the eye icon, which you'll find on any Android, which is going to take us to our app information page. From here, you can scroll down to storage and clear the cache files, and you can simply go ahead and then restart your device, and hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.